Now, check out the staircase to my room. Not only is it marble, but it's grain matched marble. See how they've taken the same block of stone, or the same pieces from the same block of stone, and they've matched them to make the step riser. And then the footer, was that the footer? Anyway, ledger, I don't know, whatever you call the flat bit of the stair. So the riser, the stair, riser to stair, all the way up. It's all neatly grain matched. And then we come into this semi-outdoor area with a different marble. They've got this cage on it, and the cage is to stop the monkeys getting in. And again, see, this marble's all from one block of stone, so it's not just colour matched, but it is grain matched. And they've book matched it. See how they've opened it here? That's one piece, and that's another piece. Joins just there. It's that line. It's easy to see here. See a little bit mortar coming through. But yeah, so that's this outdoor area. Coming through here, oh, you got this little lip. That's when the rain's really heavy, so that you don't have water running into the building. As long as the drains don't get blocked, which happens. So here, and then now we're going into my room, and I've got a marble floor too, but it's a different colour. And again, it's all grain matched. And then going into my bathroom, this is my favourite. It's beautiful, beautiful marble floor. Look at that. Just stunning. But guess what? Here in India, the marble's what is the cheap floor covering. If you want to go for quality and high-end, more status, you use tiles. But marble's so, yeah, it's not, they use it to pave the streets here. Well, the footpaths. Some footpaths. And then the cows, yeah, leave things behind on them. And when I've been trying to explain this difference, like that marble is beautiful and high status in Australia, they've shaken their heads. But anyway, marble's pretty beautiful.